Activate RBC Visa card. Today we are going to learn how to activate RBC Visa card. Follow the steps in this video till the end. Locate the reference card. This card includes important information needed for activation. Then find the 16-digit Visa card number and expiry date. These are listed on the front of the reference card. Then open the RBC Mobile App. Ensure you have the latest version installed. After installation, log into your RBC account. After logging in, navigate to the Manage My Cards or Activate My Card section. This might differ slightly depending on your app version. Then select Activate Your Visa Card option and enter the Visa card number and expiry date from your reference card. Follow the on-screen prompts. You might need to answer security question or set up your PIN for the Visa card. Once confirmed, your Visa card is activated and ready to use. That's how you can activate your RBC Visa card easily. That's simple.